Hello everyone, my name is Julian. The topic of my final speech is dyslexia student in music education. My purpose is to understand the shortcoming of the kind of student learning music first and use some learning method to help them learn music better. First, the definition of dyslexia. This is a specific learning difficulty, which means that it can cause problems with sentence definition on the National Housing Service website learning ability, such as reading and writing, but unlike learning disability, intelligence is not fatigued. There are many musical challenges of students with dyslexia. The British Dyslexia Association website summarizes it. The first part is sense reading music. The second part is inability to remember the instruction in the courses. The third part is the discording information. For example, students do not understand music theory knowledge. The third part is organization, such as the inability to content music. The fifth part is taking longer to learn, pace, and exercise. So how did teacher teach is very important. In second part, I will introduce. The first must be a dedicated guide. The International Dyslexia Association proposed that children with dyslexia often need specific instruction overcome the problem. The method proposed by Birhan is the personal education plan, which is based on student interest and ability to development teaching plans, which improves student motivation for learning and contributes to his learning. The third teaching method is to let him learning is requiring environment. Ban and Smith propose that this should be a environment where they feel accepted socially, emotionally, and Hager and Rieger also proposed that it will be presumed that students with disability will learn best alongside other students. So first, they should study with a different student and let their classmates help him. And then the second, the teacher provides him more and improves his self-confidence. The third some teaching method is use the multi-series approaches. Adamek and Polo propose to use the colors, picture, and pens to record the musical head, compare learning and variance. Herbert and his team propose most as a moon and listening, dance and singing, singing and hearing, combine music and bodies. And the first thing teaching method is making recordings. Philatelic proposed the music teacher record key information and the music example on the phone. The method is helpful students to review after class and can learn into the key point of the teaching many times. The the teaching method is so suggests that practicing an instrument daily, it involves listening, looking, and touching, may compensate for dyslexic tendencies. Goes to the final part. Dyslexia is defined specific learning difficulty, which means that it can and cross problem with the sentence teaching ability. But unlike learning disability, intelligence is not a statistic. A appropriate method should be used for students with dyslexia, such as dedicated guides, quiet environment, make a recording, and practical music instrument. The main point of the lecture is to let these students learn music well and let them enjoy music. This is my reference. Thank you for listening.